How to clear other storage on Android phone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, scroll down and search for Storage. Then, simply click on Storage, which will open this kind of page. Now, in here, click on Free Up Space at the top. After you have clicked on Free Up Space at the top, click on three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now, in here, click on Clean, which is the first option. You'll find different files. You'll find junk files. Simply click on Clean to clean it. And if you want to delete duplicate files, simply select the files, click on Move to Trash at the bottom. It will be deleted. Now, if you go back and scroll down, you can delete large files in the same way. And click on Select Apps at the bottom. And delete unwanted, unused apps. Select the apps and press on Uninstall at the bottom. Then press on OK, and the apps will be uninstalled. You can also delete downloaded files in the same way. If you go back and at the bottom click on Internal Storage, you will find all your internal storage. Simply open the files and delete in the same way. Hold it and delete the unwanted files. And this is how to clear other storage on Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.